Yes students, so next fourth bit is write in the expanded form. Already we did, so third question in expanded form. So this also again we have to write this in expanded form, but here he is asking in two ways, two methods. Two methods is asking. So in two methods we have to write this in expanded form. The first method, commonly we know, so already we did, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, and after this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, So in ones place, in first hundreds place means 4 in hundreds place, 400 place. 0 in tens place, no need to write 0, so just go for this ones place. Then 6 is in ones place, 6 as it is, then plus. 1 is in tens place, that is 1 by 10, 1 by. Then 9 is in hundreds place, that is 9 by 100, 9 by 100, 9 by 100. Then this is first method. In second method, till here it is same, 400 plus 6 is same plus. Here 1 by 10, so here 1 is there, 1, so this one we have, numerator we have to take as it is, numerator we have to take as it is. Here 1 0 is there, after 1 digit we keep a decimal, after 1 digit we keep a decimal, and before 0, so nothing, no number is there means 0. Then after that, so we have to take this numerator as it is, numerator as it is. Here in the denominator how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So here from right to left, after 2 places we keep a decimal, here 1 place is there, so another place we don't have. In the another place we keep a 0, then 1, 2, after 2 places we keep a decimal, before no number nothing, keep 0, 0.09. Once again listen this, 9 by 100, how to take this 9 by 100? First we have to write this 9 as it is. In the denominator we have 2 zeros, after 2 places we have to keep a decimal. Here only 1 place is there, more 1 place we need, so that is why we keep 1 0 from right to left. Then 9 and this is 0. And after that, after 2 places decimal, and after that no number is there, then take 0.09. Then after that, so this is the first method and this is a second method. In the same way, this is also we have to write in two methods. First method same, already we did in third bit also. This is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, this is in thousands place. Then 8 is in ones place, 8 same, then plus. So in tens place and hundreds place 0 is there, no need to take. So then 6 by 1000, 6 by 1000, in thousands place, so 6 by 1000. This is the method, first method. Second method, then 8 as it is plus. Then 6 by 1000 is there, first you take numerator, then in the denominator we have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. After 3 places we keep a decimal, here only 1 place is there, more 2 places we need, so more 2 zeros we have to keep here, 1, 2, 3. So after keeping 2 zeros, so it makes 3 places. So then after that you keep a decimal, 1, 2, 3, decimal, and no number nothing is there, so keep a 0, that is 0.006. In this way we have to write. So this is first method and second method. First method, second method. In the same way, see question number C. first method. This is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, this is in thousands place, thousands place. 1 is in tens place, then 10. 7 is in ones place, 7. Then 9 is in tens place, 9 by 10. And 1 is in hundreds place, 1 by 100. 2 is in thousands place, 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000. In second method. In second method, 10 as it is plus 7 as it is plus. Here we take numerator 9. Then 1 0 is there. After 1 place we keep a decimal. Before, so we should take 0. Then plus. We take a numerator 1. After 2 places we keep a decimal. 1 place is here and 1 more place is here. 1 0, 0.0. And here, take numerator, that is 2. And how many zeros were there here? 1, 2, 3. After 3 places we keep a decimal. 1, 2, 3. More 2 zeros we want. And 0.0. This is the second method. Okay. So in this way we have to expand the given decimals in two ways. If he asks 2 methods, then you should do 2 methods. Only he asks expanded form, is any of the method, so that is your wish. So which is easy, then you follow. So, but the 2 methods you should learn. Okay. Now write the place value of 8 in each decimal. In 5th bit, 8 place value is asking. Here 8 is there, here 8 is there, here 8 is there. In first 8 is in, this is ones, this is tens, this is tens, this is hundreds. Here, in the first 8 is in ones place, ones place, ones place. Now, here this is ones, this is tens, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands. So this 8 is in hundreds place. Hundreds place. Now in the same way, this is in ones place, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands. Here this 8 is in thousands place. Thousands place. In this way we have to write the place values of the given 8. Okay. Yes. Now here next concept of like and unlike decimals. So what about like decimals and what about unlike decimals? Here definitions are there. Note down these definitions. And first listen. So decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Decimal places here 5.45, 17.04, 274.89. So decimal places here 1, 2, here 1, 2, here 1, 2. After decimal we have 2 places, tens, hundreds place, tens, hundreds place, tens, hundreds place. So equal number of decimal places were there, then we can say that it's like decimals. Next, unlike decimals. What about unlike decimals? So decimals not having the same number of decimal places. Here 1 decimal, here 2 decimal places, here 3 decimal places. So 7.5, 23.16, 31.054. Here one decimal place is there, here two decimal places were there, here three decimal places were there. Unlike decimal places, not having same number of decimal places, so these are called unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places. Two decimal places here, here two decimal places here, here two decimal places. If equal number of decimal places are there, then they are like fractions. If different like decimal places were there, they are unlike decimals. Okay, so this is the definition for like decimals and unlike decimals. Yes, now students, here choose the like and unlike decimal fractions from the following page. Like and unlike decimals, just before we discuss, so what we call like decimals and which one we call unlike decimals. So number of decimal places here in the first decimal number. So how many decimal places are there? 1. Here 1 decimal place. Here 1 decimal place is there, 1 decimal place is there. This is our first number, this is our second decimal number. So tens place is there, tens place is there, only 1 decimal place is there. So equal number of decimal places are there. So these are like decimals. Like decimals. So it is a like decimal. In the second question, 4.67, 0.79. So after a decimal, how many decimal places were there? 1, 2. After a decimal, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2. 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. So equal number of decimal places are there. So these two are like decimal places, like decimals. Like decimals. In the third question, this is a decimal point. After decimal point, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. Here decimal point. After decimal, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3 places are there. Here 4 places are there. Unequal places, unequal decimal places are there. So this is unlike decimal. Unlike decimal. Unlike decimal places, these are like decimals, like decimal, unlike decimals, unlike decimals. So in this way we decide which one is a like decimal and which one is unlike decimal. Unlike decimal. Now convert each of the following pair or group of unlike decimals into pair or group of like decimals. Like decimals. Here pair is given, here pair is given, here pair is given, here group is given 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2 pair is given. Pair or group, whatever it is. Unlike decimals were there, so we should convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Now here 8.5 to 10.4. So here 8.52. After decimal 2 places there, after decimal 1 place is there. So how many places, less places were there? So that many zeros we have to keep. So if we keep zeros, so there is no change in the numerical value. So here 8.5 to 8. Here 2 places were there, 10.40. If you want to take 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros, so nothing, there is no change in that value of the number, value of the decimal number. So 8.52, after decimal we have 2 decimal places. Here after decimal point we have 2 decimal places. Now these two are converted into like decimals, like decimal pair. Next 7.8, 9.7. Here 2 decimal places are there, here only 1 is there. So we have to keep 1 0 here, then they change into like decimals. 7.80, 9.72. Now they have equal decimal places after decimal point. This is a decimal point. After decimal point, 2 decimal places. After decimal point, 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Next 16.1, 213.025. After decimal we have 3 places. After decimal we have 1 place. More 2 places we want, so 2 zeros we have to keep. 16.100, 213.025. After decimal we have 3 places, 1, 2, 3. After decimal we have 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Then they are like decimals. Here also 3.8. Here 3 decimals, here 2 decimals, here 1 decimal. So in all we make 3 decimals. 3 decimals. 3.800. 3 decimal places. Then 8.790. 3 decimal places. 1 decimal places we need, so we keep 1 0 to make 3 decimal places. Here only 1 decimal places. To make 3 decimal places we need 2 zeros. 2 zeros we have to keep. Here no need, already 3 decimal places we have. In this way we have to keep a decimal. 1, 2, 3. After decimal 3 places. After decimal 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 3. After decimal 3 places. 1, 2, 3. In this way we have to make like fractions. Here after decimal we have 2 places. We have 3 places. So here 3 places. Here 2 places means here we keep 1 0. Okay. Then 201.007. Then 3 places. Here 2 places were there. So we need 1 0 here. So you keep 1 0 here. How many places are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3 places. After decimal how many places are there? 1, 2, 3. In this way we have to arrange the given decimals into, we have to convert the given unlike decimal pairs or decimal groups into like decimal pairs or decimal groups. First we have to check after decimal how many places are there. So how many places less, that many zeros we have to keep and make the decimals into like decimals. Okay. Yes friends, now the same question again. Here convert each of the following set of unlike decimals into like decimals. Before decimal pairs, unlike decimal pairs, unlike decimal groups, we are converting into like decimal groups. Here also the same unlike pairs are given. Unlike decimal pairs are given, sets, 2 sets are given. One set, another set, another set, another set. 4 sets are given. One more question is there. So that question after, so these 4 questions, that question you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now here, see 4.35, 2.5. Then first of all we have to check after decimal point how many places were there. 2 places. After decimal point how many places are there? 1 point. So then here 2 places were there, here 1 place is there. So more 1 place is required here. So more 1 0 we have to keep. More 1 0 we have to keep. 4.35 and 2.5. Here 2, here 1. So 1 more we need, 1 more 0 we have to keep. Now you check after decimal point. Decimal point is here. So after this right side how many decimal places were there? 1, 2. Here how many places are there? 1, 2. So 2 equal places were there. So they convert into like decimals. Like decimal. How many places left means how many places less places were there. So that many zeros we have to take. So whatever, how many zeros you want to take, you take. So there is no change in the value of that number. Okay. Here how many places are there? Here 1 place. Here how many places are there? 2 places. Then here we keep 1 0, 2.10, 5.01. Then after decimal point how many places now? 2. After decimal point how many places? 2. Now these 2 sets, this set convert into like decimal, like decimals. Here how many places are there? Here 3 places. Here how many places? Only 1 place is there. More 2 places we need. In that 2 places you keep zeros. You keep zeros. Then 6.2 you keep 2 zeros. 0, 0. And after that 8.324. Now you check how many places were there. 1, 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 3 places. 3 places were there. So now they are like decimal set. Like decimal set. Here 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Then here how many places after decimal point? We have 3 places. We have 2 places. More 1 place here we need. So more 1 0 we have to take there. Then 23.345 and 8.340. Okay. After decimal how many places are there? 1, 2, 3. After decimal how many places are there? 1, 2, 3. So equal number of decimal places there. So these are like decimals, like decimals, like decimals, like decimals, like decimals. In this way we have to convert the decimals, given decimals into like decimals. First we check the decimal in the given set, how many decimal places are there. If equal number of decimal places are there, then they are like decimals. If unlike decimal places are there, then they are unlike decimals. So if unlike decimals are there, then how many more places we need? So in that place we take that many zeros and make equal to them. So then they convert into like decimals. They convert it into like decimals. This is the method to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. In the previous question also we did pair or set of numbers given. So in that unlike decimals are given. In that unlike decimals we convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Here also sets given, some sets, 5 sets are given, 4 sets we did here, A, B, C, D. One more question is there, so that is also in this same bit. So that question you do as your home assignment. Okay, thank you. Yes, now students, the next topic is how to compare and order decimal. Here in the previous also, so how to compare the numbers, greater than numbers, less than numbers, or equal to numbers, and how to arrange in ascending order, how to arrange in descending order. All these things we discussed in previous our number system. In this also, decimals also, how to compare decimal numbers. Before that, see here, so these two numbers, suppose these 3400 and 3040 is there. These two numbers are there. In these two numbers, it is very easy to say that which number is a smaller and which number is a bigger. It is easy to say. So here, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100,000. It is very easy to say which one is bigger and which one is smaller. This one is bigger and this one is smaller. Why? Because this is up to 1000 is there, this is up to 100 is there. So up to 1000 values are bigger. Now here in the decimal system, then how to compare? If the numbers are like this, here number of digits 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 digits are there, here 2 digits are there. If 4 digits are bigger than the 3 digit number, so it is easy. But in decimal system, here 1, 2, 3, if we count 1, 2, 3, here 3 numbers are there, here 2 numbers are there, so this is the bigger and this is the smaller. No, it is not like that. It is not like that. On the basis of the numbers, number of digits, we can't say that which one is bigger and which one is smaller. But without decimal numbers, if we count number of digits, number of places, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places value is bigger than 3 place value. But in decimal system, we have to check one by one from right to left, from left to right, from left to right we have to check one by one. Here, from left to right, first what is the number here? How many places are there? Here decimal point, here decimal point. So before decimal 3 is there, before decimal 3 is there. Only one place value is there, 3, 3. In both 3, 3 they are equal. If before the decimal the number is equal, the number is same, then we go for after decimal number. So then after decimal, so this is a decimal number. So after decimal, which decimal number we have to check? Here 2 is there, here 4 is there. After decimal 2 is there, after decimal 4 is there. In 2 and 4, which one is bigger? 4 is bigger number. So 3.4 is bigger than 3.27. 3.27. In this order, so we have to check which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So we have to check one by one from left to right. Left to right. So before a decimal number, how many digits are there? First we have to check. If number of digits are more, so that is the bigger. If number of digits are less, that is the smaller before. Then after a decimal, if before a decimal, if numbers are equal, then we have to check decimal numbers one by one. So means tenths place, hundredths place, thousandths place we have to check. In tenths place here 2 is there, here tenths place here 4 is there. In 2 and 4, which one is bigger? 4 is bigger, so this is the bigger number, this is the smaller number. So in that way we have to check bigger and smaller. This is the way to compare order of decimals. Okay.